Vikas, do I need a financial advisor to invest in mutual funds?
Not at all, Sapna. You can invest on your own through trusted platforms or AMC websites. It's called a direct plan.
So, what's the benefit of going direct?
You avoid distributor commissions. This can lead to potential returns over the long term, since direct plans usually have lower expense ratios compared to regular plans.
That sounds great, but what if I'm not sure which fund suits my goals?
That's where an advisor can help, especially if you're new or want guidance based on your financial goals, risk appetite, or tax planning.
So, it's about how confident I am in making my own decisions.
Exactly. If you've done your research and know what you're aiming for, you can absolutely go solo. But there's no harm in taking expert help if you need it.
Got it. So, I can invest without an advisor, but only if I'm well informed.
Spot on, Sapna. In mutual funds, knowledge is your best advisor.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.